Hi, I'm Melissa, and in 2019, I lost over 30 pounds following a low fat vegan diet without counting calories, and I help other people do the same. So much of weight loss is mindset. Your mindset and outlook can fast track your results and transform your life in the most amazing way, or it can convince you that it's hopeless. You've tried every diet out there, and there's no use in making any effort. As we approach the new year and reflect on our past and the things we said we were going to do but didn't, please don't let it get you down. The past is the past. With the right mindset shift and a simplified, specific action plan, becoming a slimmer, healthier, more vibrant you is completely achievable, regardless of how many times you've given up before. The attitude that it's hopeless and you've tried it all but nothing works will only hold you back and make you feel like you have no control over your weight. Keep yourself accountable. Don't let yourself off the hook. Your future self will thank you for persisting. Give yourself permission to try something and fail. That's how you see what works for you and what doesn't. If you just sit still and keep eating the same overly processed, fattening junk foods and keeping the same unhealthy habits going, what do you think will come of that? Nothing that you want. Be bolder this new year. Try new things. Some things will work for certain people and not for others, but you won't know what works for you until you keep trying. Here are a few healthy habits you can test out. One or more of them may transform your life and health for the better. Number one, I mention this often, but it really can have a huge impact on weight loss, and that's to ditch dining out. Find other ways to socialize other than eating at restaurants where they serve only overly oily, salty, processed foods that encourage passive overeating. Instead, prepare your own healthy meals at home and go bowling or for a nature walk, a picnic, ice skating, pottery classes, etc. Two, swap cereal and or toast slash bagels in the morning for oatmeal. If you do this for the entirety of the next year, you'll be amazed at the weight loss results from this one change alone. Oatmeal is full of fiber and water and only approximately 350 calories per pound when cooked. I like to make mine in my rice cooker. It's super easy and I show it in a lot of my videos if you want some easy meal ideas. Number three, set a goal to hit 10,000 steps per day. It might not seem like a huge deal, but if you're currently pretty sedentary, this can be a game changer for you. It's great for so many reasons. Walking in fresh air can boost your mood, give you energy, and brisk walking is like a gentle massage for your organs, which helps digestion as well. Number four, commit to snack only on fruit after dinner. If you're used to having dessert every night, like a cup of tea with some cookies or some chocolate, swap it for fresh fruit instead. A bowl of grapes, a bowl of berries, half a cantaloupe melon, 3 or 4 mandarin oranges, or whatever fruit happens to be in season. Snacking on fruit, which is full of vitamins, fiber, and water, is such an amazing and healthy habit. Also, you'll find that after eating fruit, cravings for junk food tend to go down because the sugar cravings have been satisfied by the natural sugars in the fruit. Number five, never indulge in the same junk food 2 days in a row. Say you're at a party and you eat birthday cake. Whatever, it wasn't on plan, but it's not the end of the world. Unless you give in to cravings the next day when you want some cake again or cupcakes. The craving monster is trying to get you hooked. I have a rule that has helped me not spiral into a month of junk food overindulging. And so if I have chips or something, which I almost never do, I make sure I don't have them again the next day. Get them out of your house, out of your reach, because once you've eaten the same junk food 2 days in a row, your brain is really searching for that same treat on day three. And you've turned it into an expectation that that junk food will be there. And before you know it, a whole month has gone by and you've been eating cookies on the couch while watching TV every night. And it just becomes part of the evening routine, which is completely taking you in the opposite direction of your goals. Number 6, this new year, get really strict about what food you keep in your house. Master your environment. Chef AJ has a quote that I love: if it's in your house, it's in your mouth. And if you've lived in a house with only yummy, healthy, plant based foods, you would be forced to only eat those things. And if you didn't bring the junk in, then you can't eat it. You'll have to make some oatmeal instead, or bake some no oil fries, or make a smoothie. Yes, I know you might live with other people who bring the junk in the house. But if that's really been an issue with you trying to lose weight and it's gotten you into trouble many times, it's a good idea to chat with whoever is bringing the pizza home or the chips, cookies, ice cream, etc., and let them know how big of an issue this actually is for you. You might be surprised that they're willing to accommodate you and eat the junk food before they get home, or maybe they'll want to eat something healthy with you. Number 7, commit to not eating after a certain hour at night. It doesn't matter what time that is, just choose what makes sense for you and what you think is reasonable based on your waking hours and lifestyle. If you say you're not going to eat after 7 p.m., then don't eat after 7 p.m. Stick with it. When you do what you say you're going to do, it feels amazing. Your internal audience is watching you and is proud of you staying committed to your healthy goals. Number 8, keep a journal of good choices and write them down daily. Do this for 30 days, and after the 30 days, read them all. You will be amazed and really proud of yourself. That self-esteem will propel you to keep making tiny positive choices that will build upon itself. It's the tiny daily decisions, one after the next, that create a healthy lifestyle. Some examples of things that you could write down. After work, everyone was drinking beer, but I chose to have water instead because I want to cut down on drinking and it feels good to stick to that plan. Or maybe I was feeling lazy today and it was cold outside, but I decided to bundle up and go for a 30-minute power walk instead of sitting on the couch scrolling on my phone. Keeping a journal of these small daily choices can be very motivating and make you want to continue to choose the healthy options more of the time. It's not about being perfect, but it's about improving. For more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and check out the 30-day weight loss challenge videos in a playlist on my channel. Hopefully they are helpful for you on your journey, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.